In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job on LinkedIn. If you're hiring for a role and want to reach candidates quickly, LinkedIn makes the process fairly simple. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full posting process so you can create a job listing that looks professional, attracts the right people, and is ready to go live with confidence. To begin, go to your LinkedIn feed. At the top of the page, click the Jobs icon. Once you're there, look for the option that says Post a Free Job and click it to start creating your listing. This is where LinkedIn takes you into the employer-side setup and begins collecting the details needed for your post. Next, add the basic job information. You'll need to enter the job title and company name, then choose the workplace type. LinkedIn gives you options like on-site, hybrid, or remote, so pick the one that best matches how the role will be performed. After that, enter the location. This part is important because it helps LinkedIn show your job to relevant candidates based on where they are and what kind of work arrangement they're looking for. Be as accurate as possible here so the listing is easier for the right applicants to discover. Once the basics are in place, it's time to draft the job description. LinkedIn may give you the option to start hiring with AI, which can automatically generate a draft for you, or you can choose to start on your own. Either option works, so go with the one that fits your workflow. From there, fill in the responsibilities, required skills, and job requirements. Try to keep this section clear and organized. A well-written description helps candidates quickly understand the role and also improves the quality of the applications you receive. After that, set your application options. You can choose to receive applications directly through your LinkedIn inbox, which is convenient if you want everything managed in one place. Or if you already use another hiring platform, you can redirect candidates to an external website. LinkedIn also lets you add mandatory screening questions. This can be very useful for filtering out unqualified applicants automatically and saving time during the review process. Finally, you're ready to publish. At this stage, decide whether you want to post the job for free or promote it with a paid budget to increase visibility. If you want the widest reach, promotion can help put the listing in front of more candidates. When everything looks good, click Post Job or Promote Job to finalize it. And that's how to post a job on LinkedIn from start to finish.